Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing my January 2022 Empties video. So let's go ahead and dig in to my bucket full of empty and or not empty and just things I'm getting rid of items. So let's go through these packets first. From Earth Kiss we have the Super Naturals Kombucha and Turmeric Detoxifying Clay Mask, which I really enjoyed. I actually like these Earth Kiss masks. I sent pack of these to a friend for Christmas. I thought they were really fun, so I like these. Very nice. And then from my recent unboxing, I think this is my most recent one, we have the Rosa Damascusina Brightening Mask, and not wowed by this. This really didn't even feel fun. This one just was like wet and dry at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. It just wasn't, it was fussy. I wasn't a fan. I used up both of the bath bombs that came in this Love Beauty and Planet Mirror Butter and Rose bath bomb set that my mom gave me a million years ago and I just hadn't got around to using. So yeah, they smelled nice. This isn't particularly a brand I purchase, but I don't mind being gifted it. Yeah. This item I'm just getting rid of. I'm gonna see if a friend wants it. It's the Ren Ready Set Glow Daily AJ Tonic. It's got a lot of ingredients that I don't care for in it, and I've stopped using it a while ago, so I'm just going to get rid of it and get it out of my medicine cabinet because it's just taking up space. Next, from the Seaweed Bath Co., we have the Furman Detox Cream, which is a lotion. It's a nice lotion. It feels hydrating. It spreads easily. I don't particularly think I'd go out of my way to buy it, but it was a nice lotion. Now, the next item is an all-star product. This is from Sunbum, and this is the Curls and Waves Detangler. This works really, really well if you are someone that gets curls, that gets your curls nappy and tangled easily. This works really well. I use it on dry hair and it gets knots out. I use it on wet hair out the shower and it helps to just brush through easily. Highly recommend. Really good product. I have a similar product I'm using right now that came in one of my boxes, but I will repurchase this when needed. Next, we have the 3 Ships Purify Aloe and Amino Acid Cleanser. Decent cleanser. Not my favorite texture in a cleanser, but it does the job and it cleans your face. So, that's that. We have another little paper wrapper thing from Ancient Clay Soap. This is the peppermint oil soap, and it was nice. It smells really good too. And it almost had like a, what am I trying to say? Why can't I think of the word? An exfoliating, that's the word I was looking for. An exfoliating type of quality to it. So this was nice. I finished up this teeny tiny little Piper Y cleansing hand gel. So just a hand sanitizer. I kept this little thing by my desk, and if I sneezed or if I ever blew my nose and had to get back to work, I'd like to use this because I don't know, I just feel like germs. So kept that by the desk and used that up. I used up the Microdermabrasion Scrub from Derma E, and I actually had another one of these, a full-size one that I hadn't even opened yet, that I'm just gonna give away to a friend because this is just a little aggressive for me. I ended up putting this in the shower and using it up on my body instead of my face. I just felt like it was a little harsh. I finished up this candle. What did this come in? The Vegan Cuts, I think? This is the 3 Buds Apothecary, hand poured in Vermont in the scent Winter. So it's got winter, berry, ozone, and juniper. This smelled amazing, but being that it's so tiny, I think I had this burning for one day and it was kaput. And not even the whole day. It didn't last very long at all, which I get is the whole purpose of it being a sample. But the smell is fantastic. It smelled really good. Another candle I finished up, I wanted to share this one specifically also because it came in a box. That one came in one of my boxes as well. And this came in the All True box for fall. This was the Autumn Sunset candle. And this smelled really, really good too. This lasted a lot longer than obviously that little one. It lasted a lot longer than I expected it to as well, which was really nice. I'm gonna try and clean that out because this is a really nice, heavy, like ceramic cup that I think I could put little pens or something in. Now we have the Osmia Naked Body Oil, and it was okay. It smelled kind of weird. I don't know if it was a scent or... No, that can't be a scent because that just smells strange. I don't know. It smells weird. I wouldn't buy it again. I'm not really a body oil person. I just use them up to use them up when they come in my boxes because, I mean, they accomplish what I need them to accomplish, moisturizing my body. But yeah, I wouldn't repurchase it, but it was nice. Except for the smell. And then I used up the Sly Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser from Drunk Elephant. This is my favorite one. I've already repurchased a new one. I'm using up another sample right now of something else. So before I break into my new full-size one, I'm going to use up any samples I've gotten or little miniatures. But I do really, really love this product. And then I have a couple of makeup products that I finished or I'm just getting rid of. We have the e.l.f. Pearl Eye Base. This has just kind of gotten a little dry, so I'm going to get rid of that. I also have the In Anticipation Pro Longwear Lip Pencil from MAC, and it has gotten really, really dry and hard and doesn't put off color anymore, so I'm going to get rid of that. I finished up the Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash, and I really liked the look this gave, but it's smudged like crazy on the under eye, so not something I'd repurchase. I finished up the Milk Makeup Kush Clear Brow Gel, which I love and is one of my favorite go-to brow gels, and I've already repurchased, even though I have another brow gel open that I'm using right now. But once I'm finished with that, I'll be cracking into the new one that I already repurchased because this is a good product. And then I saved a little bit of this, so I didn't sharpen it all the way down so I could read it. This is the NARS lip pencil in Rikugan. This was like a birthday freebie a long time ago, but it's pretty much a nub now, so I'm not going to bother trying to sharpen it down even more. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. And that is everything I have used up this month. And before closing statements, as promised, this is the video where I'm going to do the giveaway for a whole bunch of products I've been collecting. I've got them in this Love Goodly box right here, so I'm not going to go through each and every one of them, but I will open and kind of give you a preview here. And if you are interested in winning this box full of goodies, the only thing you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite thing that has happened in January has been. That's simple. Just tell me your favorite thing about January 2022 and you are entered. And I guess maybe I'll leave it open for the next couple of weeks. How about this? I'll leave it open until February's Empties video, and I will then go ahead and consider it closed and message whoever the winner is then. So definitely pay attention to your comments because I'll probably just comment back to you on your winning comment to get in touch with you. But that is everything for this video, and if you enjoyed it, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!